How does VIGA work? Here's an example to explain. Suppose we're building a scene of a basketball placed on a table, and we are currently at an intermediate step. At this point, we have the current code that generates the current scene itself, and the target scene. VIGA, acting as the verifier, first observes the scene and decides whether to use tools for further observation. At this point, the agent observes, the ball seems to be floating on the table, but it's not obvious. I need to use a tool for further observation. It then calls our camera tool, zooming in on the basketball and rotating the camera view downwards. After the tool executed, the verifier clearly observed that the ball is clearly floating on the table. So it wrote a suggestion into the shared memory, saying the ball is currently suspended above the table, and its height should be reduced. Switching to the generator role, the agent read the feedback from memory, reduced the height of the basketball. It then proceeded with the next action. First, finding the code responsible for the basketball's coordinates, and then reducing its vertical height. After the generator edited the code, the current scene changed accordingly. After this step is completed, the process moves to the next iteration. The verifier continues to provide feedback, and the generator adjusts the code based on that feedback. During the process, the agent's shared memory includes all previous feedback, so it can use a binary search mechanism to approach the target. After achieving the correct height, the verifier continues to identify the differences in the horizontal coordinates and suggests modifications to the generator. After the verifier confirms that the coordinates are completely correct, it will give an end signal, and the entire generation process will then end.